Today I'm going to be doctoring this homemade clear slime that I made. Ew. It's very, very old and gross. It's pure glue now, so we'll just pour it in. Oh my gosh. I made this a long time ago, so I hope I can still doctor this back to life. There's a lot in that bowl still, but we'll just doctor that some other day. I don't feel like doing that. Okay, so ignore the annoying person in the background, the Hamish. Anyways, so we're gonna put this in. Oh gosh, that was a lot. But yeah, so we're just gonna make this around. And when the slime starts grabbing at the I bumped the camera. When the slime starts edging towards the middle is when you know it's ready, and it's like kind of grasping at the edges. We're just gonna keep adding a little bit of slime at a time, and I think I might dye this slime too. It is not really clear anymore. It's more like gloopy. I don't know if you can see it through the camera, but it's very, very cloudy. It smells like Christmas. Or is that my house? Anyways, that's some more. Oh. So we're gonna be mixing it around like this. This is how we want it to start acting. Right around here. This is green apple scented slime activator from Elmer's. And if you don't know, their slime's amazing. But so is Compound Kings. I love Compound King slime. Okay, it's getting better. Much better. And smaller. Surprisingly, it's getting smaller. Maybe it's just the size of the bowl. But beautiful. Okay, so now it's kind of looking a lot more like slime, and it's a lot thicker. And it's turning into real slime, not gloopy, sticky glue. This is what you want to see, and you can add a little bit more. All right, we're gonna test this in a second. We're gonna poke it. Okay. I need to clean my hands. Okay, so I'm back with clean hands, not sticky ones. And it's added a lot of activator actually. Oh my gosh, so my ring light is right over me and I keep bumping into there. That was a lot. Oh no. Oh no. So I have a lot of experience with slime, and I figured out that you have to add little by little, so it's nice. Okay. My mom is very embarrassing and in the background. Yeah. So anyways, the slime's going great. A lot better than I thought it would be. Squirt. Okay. I think we're just gonna add like, this is gonna be a lot of activator. But anyways, what I was saying, little by little, because if you put too much activator, then you can't take any out, but if you go little by little, you can always add more. That's like my slime quote, whatever. And I just added way too much, and it's turning into a gloppy mess. This is not what you want to do. You also don't want to sing in the background like my mom. I like to poke it. Sounds cool. Oh my gosh, get off my spoon. Or whatever you call this. Noodle spoon, pasta spoon. And it's getting harder and harder to pull, which is good. So I'm going in. Deal, deal, deal. Oops. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Mom. My mom's on the couch begging me for a shout out right now. And she won't give me her TikTok, her Instagram, nothing. And I'm like, I'm not giving you a shout out. Anyways, you guys. Mom. Okay, back to the video. Ignore her. But this slime's turning out good. You're not getting tagged in anything. It looks pretty good. I might not buy this. Okay, that was a lot. Let's just rub it in. Mixy, mixy. Just like this random guy in our yard digging. Come on. Oh, okay. Oh yes, I will have to make a video on these. On this, like an ASMR. Anyways, that's how you doctor an old, clear slime. And it's actually really clear, you just can't see it through the camera. Through the camera it looks yellow, but it's like clearish white. You can hear my mom in the background again, because she can't be quiet for like 20 minutes while I record a video. Anyways, yeah, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave any comments, any tips.